Hunter. Show everybody how you stir. Good job.
Excellent job of stirring. And you got away. I'll get it in. Oh, it's hot. Watch out, it's hot.
You gonna smell the steam some more? How's it smell?
It smells good.
Show Daddy how to do it.
Put the hand in there.
I want to put a hand in there too. Makes your
With
hand warm.
one hand?
Yeah, it makes your hand warm, doesn't it? Does your hand feel warmer? Yeah, it's hot air going up.
How's that steam feel?
Can you touch it?
Alright, stir. We don't want it to stick. Alright.
Can you touch that?
Are you a good cook, Hunter?
But the hand works here. Can I do it?
Sure. You do a really good job. Watch what you're doing. Remember to keep the spoon in the pan. Alright, Chef Hunter. I'm going to get some wine to deglaze the pan.
Holy moly.
Oh, it'll be vegetarian tonight.
Is it gone now?
Hands up. You don't want to touch the stove. Is it done? Alright. Say, I'm a good chef. You sure are.